If you're looking to build a signature request template library, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to create a set of templates that'll save you time and effort whenever you need to request signatures. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share an exclusive offer for a software that can make this process even smoother. First, let's talk about the basics. A signature request template library is a collection of pre-built templates you can quickly access when you need to send out signature requests. This could be anything from contracts to agreements to simple forms that need signatures. Having this library means you won't have to start from scratch every time. To begin, you'll want to choose the right software. After testing several of the most popular options, I'll be using this software for today's tutorial. It's a simple and effective platform that streamlines the whole process, allowing you to save and reuse your signature templates anytime. Now, once you've logged into the software, the first step is to create your initial template. Start by opening the template builder and adding your essential fields. These fields typically include things like the signature line, the name of the signer, date fields, and any other details specific to your document. You can add placeholders for things like names or addresses that will change from document to document. Once you've created this, save it as a template. Next, you'll want to categorize your templates. Think about what types of documents you'll be requesting signatures for regularly. For example, you could have categories for contracts, agreements, waivers, or NDAs. Labeling them appropriately helps you quickly find the right template when you need it. The next tip I've got for you is to ensure all templates are customizable. Even though you're working with a template library, not every request is going to be identical. This is where customization comes in. The software lets you change names, dates, or any specific details for each document you send out. It's crucial that your templates are flexible enough to adapt to different situations. Once your templates are set up, don't forget about testing. You want to ensure that every template is working properly before using it for real-world requests. Send yourself a few test signature requests. Check that everything aligns as it should, and make adjustments where necessary. Now, let's talk about the benefit of having a signature request template library. Not only does it save time, but it also ensures consistency across all your documents. Every signature request is aligned with your branding and formatting, and you're able to quickly respond to requests without missing any key details. As you add more templates to your library, keep things organized. Tagging your templates with relevant keywords can help you easily search for the right one when you're in a rush. A clean and organized template library is crucial for maintaining efficiency, especially as your collection grows. Lastly, take advantage of automation. Many signature request software programs allow you to set up workflows where once a template is sent, it automatically triggers follow-ups or notifications. This is a huge time saver. The key takeaway from this video: building a signature request template library will save you time, keep your documents consistent, and increase your efficiency. It's a game changer for anyone who deals with contracts and agreements regularly. To recap, here's what we covered. Start by choosing the right software and creating your first template. Categorize your templates to keep things organized. Ensure your templates are customizable and test them for accuracy. Keep your library organized with tags and use automation for workflows. Before you go, make sure to check out the exclusive free trial for this software in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, and it's a great opportunity to try out everything we covered today. Thanks for watching, and happy templating.